Welcome to the Rolling Strong app overview of fitness. Here we'll do a brief overview of how to use the fitness tab. Upon clicking into the fitness tab, you'll see 5 dials at the top. One reading calories burned, workout minutes, heart rate minutes, steps, and points. All of which the dials will move corresponding to the workouts that you log throughout the day. If you scroll down, you'll see a series of tabs. The first one is going to be workouts. Upon clicking workouts, you'll see there's going to be a tab at the top that says log your own workouts. Upon clicking that, you'll see 3 drop-down tabs. The first one saying select your exercise. So you can pick from a series of different exercises they have there. The next one is going to be select your intensity. It's going to be high, medium, or low. Lastly, you select the time between 5 to 60 minutes. And finally, you just submit. Once you've submitted, it'll log that workout for the day. Going back under the fitness tab, if you press workouts again, underneath log your own workouts, you'll see a series of tabs, each of which are corresponding exercises and pre-designed workouts for you to follow along with. Upon clicking one, you'll see that there's going to be a list of exercises with a video displayed at the top. All you have to do is press play and follow along with said workout. Going back to the home fitness tab, underneath workouts, you'll see trails. I'm not going to click on that tab because it's going to kick me off this page and take me to another app. With your Rolling Strong membership, you will be allowed access to All Trails app, which is an app that allows you to see hiking trails within your area, of which they'll have hard, moderate, and easy trails to follow, each of which you can hike, run, or walk. Going back to the home fitness tab, under trails, you'll see body diagnostics. First thing you'll see is body part, of which you can select a series of different particular body parts that may be causing you some kind of pain. Once you pick one, you pick the symptoms that may be giving you pain, or describe the symptoms that are giving you pain. And then lastly, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see some video links at the very bottom on which you can follow to help relieve the pain that you are feeling. Going back to the home fitness page, under body diagnostics, you'll see a tab that says workout history. Upon clicking that, you will see all the workouts that you have logged for the day, or you can go back a couple of days and see the ones that you've logged before. Lastly, here on the home fitness page, you'll see a tab that says connect wearables. This is where you can connect any watch that you may have, depending on if it's accessible with our app, which is Fitbit, Garmin, Polar, and Apple. All you have to do is slide the toggle, follow the directions, and connect the wearable. That way you can log steps, heart rate minutes, workout minutes, and calories burned from workouts you may have logged within that watch. Thank you for following along.